Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Shopify subscription, right? So very first thing right now, I'm in the Shopify dashboard. So very important part is here, just go to the online store, and if you have taken subscription for any application, you have to cancel it first, right? So just click on the apps, and here you will get all your apps, and basically you have to cancel your apps subscription, right? Because that is important. Then you have to just go to the setting, which is on bottom left side corner. So just click on this setting, and here you will see the option that is called billing, right? So just go to the billing, and after that you will able to see here the auto payment. And right now this is just my trial version, so that's why I don't have here. But basically if you have taken subscription, you can cancel it from here, right? And you can just close your account. So this is pretty easy, guys. If you found this video really useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.